welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, hi. If this is your first time of seeing my face here on YouTube, thank you very much for stopping by. But if not, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up on this video. Guys, today forgive my mess. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I actually style my hair. I washed my hair this morning and basically I was going to make it today. I am going to make it today, so I just wanted to show you guys. Basically my hair is wet, it's wet, so this is like shrinkage 2.0, and I just wanted to style it out just so it dries like as quick as possible, so when it gets time to make my hair, it will be dry. So stay to this video, don't go anywhere if you want to see what this hair is going to turn out to be like. And also, like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, yeah, let's get into it. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys what the final look will be like, and also when I make the hair. So this video is definitely going to get my hair video, so yeah, maybe like the hair update or something, but my hair, like, my hair just has a mind of its own. It's not as, I'm just going to out. My hair is still very much wet, still wet, but normally what I do is I part and part my hair, so like just to give it air and let it dry. And this style has been my style for the longest of time, so you guys are just gonna see it. Okay. Some days when maybe I'm not planning on making my hair at the moment, on days when I am not planning on making my hair immediately, I apply gel to this side. But when I'm planning on making my hair, there's no need, because I don't want the gel, because it will definitely still stay on my hair, so I don't want that trace of gel when I'm making my hair or something like that, since I'm not going to like wash it again when I get to the salon or something. I normally like washing my hair by myself because I don't know, I feel like I do great. I outsource sometimes. I like go to the salon to wash my hair sometimes, but sometimes I'm just not always free to like hop on and go to the salon and wash my hair. So basically this is it. Yeah, so I part and part. Okay, so this is like my go-to style. A lot of people who know me with this. Yeah, like they know that this is my natural, they know that this is my natural hair. They don't get to ask, oh, is that your hair? Even though sometimes they still ask. But yeah, like for the sides, if I'm probably not going to be making it like today, as I've applied gel and just made it look sleek or something. But since this is just for drying purpose, like I just want my hair to just dry out, so when I just go to make it, I just have to dry it and all that. Yeah, I feel like this is pretty. This is my good hair day. Like when my hair is like this, just know that I'm tired of the hair. But I just took it out this morning. I took my cornrows out this morning, so yeah, and I washed it, and here we are with this style. It's definitely covering my, so I don't even get to, yeah. However, my hair is like put together, like it's just 6 strands of hair coming together, and it's just very funny. So guys, this is what my go-to style is, like when I want to be that natural girl. But I'm going to be checking in with you guys later, just to let you guys know if maybe it gets late before I finish making my hair. I'll just check in with you guys but tomorrow to let you guys know what the hair looks like. But for now, this is what my go-to hair is. If I don't check in with you guys, I'm definitely going to be posting a hair update, but that video is not going to be long like that. So that's why I feel like I want to just put these two videos into one. You're on my channel, that's why you need to subscribe. You need to subscribe so you know me more, you know, like a few things about me that you might be interested in knowing. So guys, check out like the next video. If it doesn't come, thank you for watching. But if it comes, you won't see this part, or you would see it, but yeah, if it comes, you won't see this part. But if it doesn't come, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, support my channel. I'm trying my best. I feel like this quality is better than the other ones I've been having, and I'm going to try as much as possible to improve on the kind of content I put out and the kind of quality I also put out. Thank you guys very much for stopping by. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video huge big thumbs up, leave a comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Mwah.